But there's some other things that you can definitely learn that are more on the technical side of things, that if you can convey those, it's also going to give you an edge. And what may that be? So it kind of depends on what particular path you're trying to go down. Let's say it's programming, right? Then maybe it'll be something along the lines of, I've written some code in the robot, I've been able to do some loops, and or like, let's say for instance, maybe you were able to get like more advanced, like I was able to do like some palletizing things, or really just like being able to have the ability to name off some key things. And this is gonna be the very beginning of your career, and you probably haven't had much work experience. If you have, then hopefully some of those things will convey over. But even being able to, mention things like, I know what a PLC is, I know what a robot is, I know what, what Ethernet communication is. And some of these things are a little bit more on the control side of things, but what a robot end of arm tooling is, I know what a conveyor is, I know what a three-phase motor is, I know what a servo is. So these are like some of the technical things that will be very useful, automation or manufacturing company, for you to know these type of skills, right? So at least if you can identify those items, okay, they know something, right? So that's like one of the key things, right? Being able to figure anything out is hands down like the #1 skill. But then being able to practically understand, like, this is this object, this is the thing that it does, that's another very, very important thing. Because then they know that you're not starting completely from scratch, and they know you have some basis of knowledge, right? Like, I don't want to hire somebody that has never touched a teach pennant necessarily.